Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to review the Lancelot M1630 DTF printer bundle, a total game changer for anyone interested in DIY t-shirt printing. Before we dive into the review, don't forget to check the link below for more details and the best deals on this amazing bundle. Alright, let's get into it. The Lancelot M1630 DTF printer comes with everything you need to start printing like a pro, including the A3 oven, roll feeder, and all the essential consumables like inks and transfer films. This machine is a huge upgrade from standard printers like the L1800 or L805, thanks to its double-speed printing capability. Whether you're running a small business or just printing shirts for fun, the increased speed means you can produce more in less time, without sacrificing any quality. One of my favorite features is the white ink circulation system. This helps prevent the white ink from clogging up the print head, ensuring smoother and more consistent prints. It's such an important feature, especially if you're working with intricate designs that require vibrant white ink for opacity. The A3 roll feeder is a major time saver too. It allows you to print continuously without having to manually load each sheet, which is perfect for larger projects or bulk orders. Plus, the quality of the prints is outstanding. The colors are vibrant, the details are sharp, and the ink adheres perfectly to a variety of fabrics, from cotton to polyester. The transfer films work seamlessly, and once you've finished printing, the included A3 oven helps cure the prints for long-lasting durability. Another thing I love about this printer is how user-friendly it is. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced printer, the software and setup are intuitive. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, and the support team is always available if you need any help. Overall, I highly recommend the Lancelot M1630 DTF printer bundle to anyone serious about custom t-shirt printing. It offers high-speed performance, premium print quality, and reliable results, everything you need to take your custom apparel business or hobby to the next level. Be sure to check out the link below for all the details and grab yours while the deal lasts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.